Hello, good morning party people. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Anna and this is Veggie VSG. If you are new here, I lost over 100 pounds with weight loss surgery. I am vegan slash plant-based, whatever you want to call it. And today is going to be a what I eat in the day in quarantine. I got all dressed up because I have to run to Walmart today for a couple of things, but I figured I would show you what I'm eating today while I'm at it. So let's jump into it. I start every single day with iced coffee. I do make it at home to save money. This is the Califia Cold Brew Black, and I added some silk vanilla creamer and obviously some ice, and good to go. I usually actually make the coffee myself, like I don't even buy the cold brew, but we don't have a coffee maker, and that's actually maybe on the list of things I'm gonna get today. So iced coffee to start the day. All right, so I'm gonna make a little smoothie here. This is our little drink bar. I absolutely love it. Our fridge used to be here and it was like a weird cutout space and we didn't know what to do with it. So I love that we made it a little coffee drink bar. So I'm gonna mix up these two protein powders. I'm not a huge fan of the unsweetened pea protein. So I'm gonna do half and half to kind of like sweeten it up. And then as far as like stuff goes, I'm gonna add a little bit of orange juice just for flavor and sweetness. Spinach, I love blending spinach into my smoothies. I'm not a big spinach person normally, but for some reason in a smoothie it's really good. I'm gonna add some hemp hearts, some chia seeds, and then I'm gonna add some frozen fruit. In here I have bananas and strawberries. I'm not sure I'm gonna use the strawberries, but for sure the bananas, and then some mango. Here we go. I forgot the plant milk. Okay. I think I need to add more milk. Okay, I made a mess, but after making a mess, we have two smoothies ready to go to the store. I forgot to mention I'm making some for my fiance Colin. I obviously was not making a smoothie that big just for me, and this will last me like for over an hour. Like I'll be sipping on this for a while. So let's go to the store. Y'all, it's a little warm. It's like 100 degrees and most of the time that's fine, but we bought a grill and we had to bring it home, and all the moving of the grill, a little warm, and I'm hungry. It is 3:10 and I only ate that smoothie this morning, so I'm gonna make a quick little wrap here. Let me flip you around. So, okay, so we have a tortilla, flour tortilla to wrap the wrap in. We have spring mix. I said I wasn't a huge fan of spinach, and that is true, but we have this, so I'm gonna use it. And then we have this tofu that I made the other night in the air fryer. We have some plant-based queso, and I'll probably add some like croutons. And yeah, it's gonna be simple, but delish, okay? Okay. All right, quick little lunch. I haven't made a wrap in forever. It's crazy, so I don't know how this will be, but this is mine. It has the lettuce, like a lemony tofu on it, queso, vegan cheese, croutons, and bacon bits. And then this is Colin's. It's vegetarian, not vegan, but I made it, so I figured I'd share it. Same wrap, same lettuce, barbecue tofu, hot sauce, blue cheese, and croutons, and then a little salt and pepper. Lunch is served, boy. All right, y'all, I am about to declutter my closet, put some new stuff away. So I'm gonna have some of these sriracha chickpeas that I have. They are the same brand as the wasabi chickpeas, and just want to get rid of them, so that's what I'm going to be snacking on while I work on this project. Talk to you later. All right.
Oh gosh.
We got Thai food for dinner takeout, and I got tofu pad Thai, and it's going to be great. Yum. All right, y'all, it's the next day. I just woke up a little bit ago, and I just wanted to do full transparency. After the watermelon last night, like late at night, Colin made like cookies and brownies from this pre-made mix. Let me show you what it looks like. You can get them at Costco, and they're vegan, so. This brand, Eat Pastry. We have the brownie and the cookie one, and he made some cookies, and I had like one of each. So yeah, just trying to be crystal clear with y'all, because I would want someone to be crystal clear with me. Here's Coda, by the way. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.